prestigious, beautiful amenities. Project comes with the top pool, a spa, a theater, has for you. Come with me. And now let me give you a surprise. This is the perfect blend to the large windows. This 4 BHK a modular kitchen which comes with its, whether it's the master bedroom or the others, you will have. The home comes semi-furnished. That means you have, this is our room number 3. Someone who has kids with you, you have the authority. Very beautiful 4 BHK villa. It's really spacious. All is up to the mark. Fully equipped for all your daily needs. Now let me show you the washroom. This is the attached washroom to this bedroom. Welcome to Zix.com. My name is Sama Srivastav and today I welcome you at Sector 63A to this prestigious Anantraj Township. And now I'm here at State Floors, which is also known as Pocket E. And talking about the location is unmatched. All the top tier schools and hospitals are just nearby. And if I tell you about amenities, the amenities are unmatched. This State Floors, this project comes with beautiful amenities. Number of project comes with the top-notch amenities you can think of. The clubhouse spans over 2 lakh square feet. You get a beautiful pool, a spa, a theater, everything you can think of. And yes, now let me give you a tour. Township, this Pocket E, and let's see what this has for you. Come with me. Over 400 acres, Anantraj Township offers a range of premium number of options for you, from low density, luxurious builder floors to plots and villas. What's not? We have premium options for you. And right now we are exploring a special pocket within this township, that is Pocket E, which is also known as State Floors. And this is a low density pocket within this township. And now let me give you a surprise. 90% families are already calling this as a home. As you can see, people are already living here. They have called this place as their homes and only limited units are available. So now let me give you a tour of this beautiful luxurious builder floor. Come with me. So now let me give you a tour of one of the 4 BHK builder floors here at Anantraj. Come with me. This is the perfect blend of luxury and comfort. So as you step aside, you are greeted by the spacious and beautifully designed living area. The open layout gives you ample space to entertain guests or just unwind after a long day. Notice the high-end finishes and natural light pouring in through the large windows. So this is a perfect sized living area which comes with a bar counter which is perfect for your evening gatherings. And yeah, this can make your day, to the best. And here you get an attached balcony and just look at this view. The sunlight, notice the sunlight which is coming directly to your living area. And here you get your dining area as well. So if you are someone who is searching for your dream house, let me give you very important information. That is, we here at Zix.com, we actively bring latest projects for you. So we have our own WhatsApp community group where we bring the latest updates on, what more kind of floors or projects the developers are bringing for you. So yes, you can join our WhatsApp community group for more information. Now let's see what's more this 4 BHK builder floor has for you. So this is our first bedroom. You can see, the finishes, the design, the color combination, all is up to the mark. Here you get an attached balcony with it. So this was the first bedroom, and now let me show you the washroom. This is the washroom, as you can see, perfectly designed. So here is the kitchen, sleek, modern, and fully equipped for all your daily needs. It's perfect for a family of hosting parties. And look at the space. This is so spacious, a modular kitchen which comes with its finest finishes. So this was all about the kitchen. Now moving on to the bedrooms. Now let me show you the other bedroom. Come with me. Look at this. This is perfect for your natural sunlight. And just look at this. The light from here can directly flow to your builder floor. So this is our other bedroom. So yes, for your FYI, each of the four is spacious and designed to offer maximum comfort. Whether it's the master bedroom or the others, you will have plenty of room to relax and the finishes are top notch. So in this bedroom, you get a beautiful study table. If you're someone who do work from home, or if you have kids, you can just sit here, relax, do your work and just relax to your best. So here you get also an attached balcony which comes with a beautiful view. So much greenery here it is, right? So also in this bedroom you are provided with a sofa, so you can sit here, relax, enjoy your tea and snacks, and this is a perfect size bedroom for you and your family. And trust me, this provides you the maximum level of comfort. Now let me show you the washroom. This is the attached washroom to this bedroom. The home comes semi-furnished. That means you have the flexibility to add your own touch. So yes, look at this. But the work done by Apartment 9 gives it that luxurious feel from the get-go. This is our room number 3. Wow, I just love this. Look at the color combination. Here also you get another study table or whatever you call this, and this beautiful bedroom, and another attached balcony you are getting here. And this is the washroom which comes with a closet as well. So here you can put all of your daily needs and your clothes, whatever suits you, and this is the washroom. Wow, look at this. So this was our room number 3, and now let me show you the 4th room of this 4 BHK builder floor. So basically this area which you are seeing right now, it was a kid room, it was a kid's room, but Anant Vaj has converted it into a family lounge. So yes, if you are someone who has kids with you, you have the authority to do the changes according to you. And here also you are getting an attached washroom with a closet. This luxurious builder floor comes also with an servant room attached with it. So now I have shown you till yet all the 4 bedrooms and the living lounge and everything. And now it comes to the servant room. And now let me show you the servant room. How does it look like for your servant? So this is the servant room. And here also you get an attached washroom. This balcony directly leads you to the kitchen. So if you are someone who is not so much comfortable in bringing your servant from the main door itself, your servant can directly go to the kitchen, do their work and come to their room itself. So yes, this is the perfect blend of luxury and comfort, and trust me, this is a very beautiful 4 BHK villa. It's really spacious 4 BHK builder floor. Look at the space, like hardly any developer provides you this much of ample space. The best part and the most beautiful, what we say, the best attraction of this builder floor is this bar counter. Just the center of attraction, you can call it, just in the center, the middle of the living area. It gives and enhances the luxury of this 4 BHK builder floor. So yeah, this was all about today's video, and I hope I have covered all the important information in this video till yet. So, but yes, like it's not possible for me to cover all and everything, all the aspects of this project in a single video. So yes, if you have watched this video till so far, what are you waiting for? Our team is waiting for you. Call us right away on the number given below. Thank you.